Hello students, welcome to Standard 9 Mathematics, Chapter 1 Number System. This is lecture 13. After operations on the real number, the topic we have seen last lecture. Now we will see the new thing here, how to find root x type format values for any given positive real number x. X may be any positive real number, but it is in root. So how to find the value of this geometrically? That we have to see, and that we have to represent on the number line also. For example, we will take x equals to 9.3. If we take x equal to 9.3, so root x equal to root 9.3. Now our aim to represent this root 9.3 on the number line, right? And how to get its length, the geometrically. So here the steps are given and here the figure is given. Step by step you can draw the figure. So the first step we have seen, we are writing here on the number line, take AB equal to x equal to 9.3. Whatever the value of x is given, here 9.3, that measures length we have to draw as AB. It is first drawn the line here, number line. Then AB is of the length, x we have to draw. Here x equals to 9.3 we have, so we will draw 9.3. In centimeter you can take this length from your scale. How much AB you draw? Of 9.3 length, because x equals to 9.3. Why I am taking 9.3 only? Because this question is given in exercise 1.5 question number 4. So similar way, this question will also be solved in this, and we will get the idea of how to represent root x on the number line similarly. So it is 9.3, so AB should be of 9.3, and then from B to C we have to take 1 unit, 1 centimeter more, always. How much AB? The given question as 9.3 given, 9.3, then after B to C it will be always 1 we have to take. So BC equals to 1 we have. This is the start. What do you have to draw? Draw a number line. On that AB, we have to draw the given positive integer 9.3 given. That we have to draw 9.3 AB. And then B to C always you have to draw 1 centimeter as your scale will have. Now, considering AC as the diameter, A to C we have to consider as diameter. If A to C is diameter, find the midpoint of AC. It will be here. By measuring, you can find it the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC we have to find, and there you give the name O. See, now considering AC as diameter, find the center O. Center of AC, O you have to find. And draw the semicircle with the center O and radius OC. Getting this O, what you have to do? Taking the center as O means your rounder point should be on O and radius up to C, and make sure that it will be up to A also, and then you have to draw this semicircle this way with the rounder hand. Taking the center as O and radius as C, OC, you draw this way a semicircle. This is given, and draw the semicircle with the center O and the radius OC. Then what next we have to do? Draw BD perpendicular on AC. From this B, we have to draw perpendicular to AC, upside down. Perpendicular means making 90 degree to upside, you have to draw BD perpendicular on AC. BD perpendicular on AC. And this BD is intersecting the semicircle where at D. This way. BD is on perpendicular on AC, and this BD is intersecting the semicircle at which point? Say there D point. So this BD is perpendicular on AC, and this BD is intersecting the semicircle at D this way. Thus BD, then take the length of BD, take the rounder point on B and D as a length, rounder stretch, and this way you draw an arc. Here you will get E. So this BD and D will be same, and that will be as root x. Whatever the value of x, that will be root x. Here 9.3 we have taken, so it will give 9.3. So this way we can represent any root having irrational number on the number 9. These are the steps. And now the question comes in our mind that how this BD gives root x. Why this compulsorily gives root x? Why it is directly 9.3 root 9.8 gives? For that we have a verification as a proof. Here we have written how it will BD will give us root x. If we take x as AB, after doing all this process, this BD will give root x. How it comes root x, that we'll see here. So proof is in figure this the diameter AC is there, and what is the diameter AC? As you know, A to B we have taken as x and this C is 1. So total AC, the diameter is x plus 1 actually. From A to B x and from B to C 1. So total A to C will be x plus 1. So the diameter AC equal to x plus 1 we have. Therefore, if the diameter x plus 1, the radius is O to C is radius, O to A is radius, and O to D also radius. See carefully. OC, OA, OD all are radius and all are equal. So radius OC equals to OA equals to OD equals to half of diameter. Diameter x plus 1. So half of it is x plus 1 by 2. Now see in the figure again, OB equal to OC minus BC. OB. If you want this length OB, what you have to do? Now OC whole, this length, O to C length. From that, if I subtract BC from OC, if I subtract BC, I will get OB. Again, see, we want this OB. This length we want. So what we have to do? This full length O to C, subtract from that this BC. This smaller part if we subtract, the OB you will get. So that is written there, OB equals to OC minus BC. OC minus BC. Now what is OC? OC is radius that we have seen here, x plus 1 by 2 minus what is BC? As we have taken BC as 1, so it is 1 only. So OC is x plus 1 by 2 minus BC is 1. Take LCM of 2 will be 2, x plus 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Then x plus 1 minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, x minus 1 by 2. This is the length of OB we have now. Right? Now see in the figure again, this triangle we have to see now, OBD. You can see there, OB and BD are perpendicular, so they are 90 degree, and OD we will join. So I have shown this triangle here separately. OBD similarly. OBD triangle. In that OB, we got here x minus 1 by 2, that value I have written. And what is OD? OD is a radius. OD is a radius and it is x plus 1 by 2. This is the value. Now we want BD. We want BD. In these two values OB and OD we have, we will find out now BD. See, in triangle OBD now. So B is on 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, you know, opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So it will be OD square equals to OB square plus BD square. This is by Pythagoras theorem in writing a triangle the rule. If we have OD square equals OB square plus BD square, and we want only BD square, so BD square with that plus value OB square is there, it will be taken on left side, it will be in minus. So what it will have, BD square equals to OD square, this plus value will go there minus. So OD square minus OB square you will have finally. Now we have to place the value of OD and OB. What is OD? OD is here, x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 and square, minus what is OB? Here we have x minus 1 by 2, so it's square and square. Now expansion of x plus 1 is a plus b the whole square type, a square plus 2ab plus b square type. So here we have x square plus 2 1s are 2x plus 1 square 1 upon 2 square 4 as it is, minus expansion of this like a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square type. So we have x square minus 2 ones are 2x plus 1 square is 1 upon 2 square 4. Now both the denominator have 4, so LCM will be 4 as it is. So up numbers are as it is, x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1. Because of the minus sign here, all sign will be changed on the right side. Minus x square plus 2x minus 1. Now we can see plus x square and minus x square will be cancelled. Plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. So what is remaining? 2x and 2x. Up will be 4x and down will be 4. So 4x upon 4. This 4 and 4 up and down cancel. So we have x. This x value is of BD square value we are getting. BD square is x. So what will be BD? Take both the sides root. So BD square will be BD and x will be root x. So this way we have seen, if we take this way x value on AB and BC as 1, by doing this whole construction, this BD length will give us root x length. Root x length. So root x. And if we want root x, x equal to 9.3, so we have to take AB as 9.3. In textbook, one example is given with not numbers, but directly this method is shown by this example, root 3.5 we have to show on the number line. So what we have to do? We have to take x equal to root 3.5. So x equal to 3.5. You will draw the AB of 3.5 in place of 9.3. And then the same method of BC as 1 and everything, the same way pattern you go, you will get at the end BD as equals to root 3.5. So this is your homework. By this method only, you have to represent root 3.5. This way you are